As we continue our series on Las Vegas hotels, our next stop is the MGM Grand on this edition of Travelin' Joe. Hello everybody, this is Travelin' Joe, and today we're at the MGM Grand in Las Vegas, Nevada. The MGM Grand is located toward the southern end of the Strip and is operated by MGM Resorts. It is one of the most iconic hotels on the Strip. This is an enormous resort and we have a lot to cover, so let's get started. If you're enjoying our videos, please like and subscribe to the channel and ring the notification bell. As you enter the lobby, you'll be greeted by the MGM Lion. This modern lobby is enormous, and it can get pretty busy. The MGM Grand is the largest single hotel in the world with over 6,852 rooms. As always, I suggest using mobile check-in. It will really save you a lot of time. You can print your keys at one of the mobile check-in kiosks, or you could use your phone as your digital key. There's a bell desk as well as a concierge located at the lobby. Also in the lobby are a Starbucks and a Grand & Company where you can buy refreshments and souvenirs. Okay, I'm all checked in and it's time to head up to the room. Just past the lobby, you'll find the hotel elevator bank, which is next to the lobby bar. As I mentioned earlier, this place is enormous and there's a good chance you're going to be doing a lot of walking to get to your room. My room was located on the 11th floor of the hotel. Let's take a look inside. I booked the Grand 2 Queen, which included 2 queen beds with a maximum guest capacity of 4. The room was over 446 square feet. The Grand Queen room is sleek and has modern furnishings and artwork throughout. The 2 beds featured pillow-top Serta mattresses. There's a seating area with 2 comfortable chairs, as well as a glass-top business desk and executive chair. There's a flat-screen TV and a dresser, along with a minibar. In the closet, there's an ironing board and iron and a luggage rack. Your in-room safe is located in your nightstand next to the bed. The bathroom features a single sink marble vanity, along with an oversized backlit mirror. The bathroom also features a shower-tub combination. Shampoo, conditioner, and soap are provided. The room featured a partial view of the Strip, with the Aria, Park MGM, and Cosmopolitan in the background. That takes care of the room. Let's head downstairs. The casino at the MGM Grand is massive. With over 170,000 square feet of gaming, the MGM Grand is one of the largest casinos in Las Vegas. When the casino first opened in 1993, it had a Wizard of Oz theme, but that only lasted a few years. There are more than 1,100 slot machines. The slot machines range in denominations from 1 penny to 1,000 and include progressive slots, video poker, and multi-game machines. There's also a high-limit slots area, which features progressives in $5, $10, $25, and $100 denominations. There's also a wide variety of table games, including blackjack, craps, baccarat, roulette, and more. Also on the casino floor is the BetMGM Sportsbook, which features more than 150 seats and 4 exclusive skyboxes. The MGM Grand offers a 13-table non-smoking poker room. The poker room features cash games as well as daily Texas Hold'em tournaments. Okay, we covered gaming. Now let's see what else is on the casino floor. There are numerous bars, restaurants, and entertainment choices. We're going to start at the Strip entrance and work our way back. Level Up features everything from nightly entertainment to live sports on big screen TVs, as well as endless arcade games. There's also virtual reality powered by zero latency. Centrifuge is a circular bar and lounge with handcrafted cocktails, progressive music, and a modern metro vibe. The centerpiece of Centrifuge is an impressive glowing installation that spins continuously while changing colors. Hakkasan is one of the premier nightclubs in Las Vegas and features performances from world-class DJs and artists. The Hakkasan restaurant features contemporary Chinese cuisine, all in a revitalized, stylish interior. Hap Sports Bar is a great place to go if you're a sports fan looking for great food, ice-cold beer, and unparalleled sports dining experiences. The bar also features a whopping 60 high-definition flat-screen TVs. At the MGM Grand Buffet, you'll be able to fill your plate with delicious entrees, desserts, and more. The buffet is open daily for breakfast and lunch. Hours are 8 a.m. to 3 p.m. Jabberwockies entertains with its dynamic mix of awe-inspiring choreography, pulse-pounding music, and stunning special effects. Tickets start at $49.99. David Copperfield has been hailed as the greatest illusionist of our time. The award-winning illusionist continues to confound and delight audiences with his unbelievable illusions. I've seen the show, and I highly recommend it. The Casino Bar is a great place to sit and relax and have a cold drink and play video poker. The bar is located right in the center of all the action. Whiskey Down features an impressive selection of over 50 types of whiskeys and handcrafted cocktails. The bar features plush leather sofas and oversized chairs, as well as 3 blackjack tables and 7 video poker machines. Also located on the casino floor is a Starbucks. This is one of 3 located at the MGM Grand. Right next door is Avenue Cafe. Avenue Cafe features a vibrant retro design and is open for breakfast and lunch. The restaurant is open daily from 7 a.m. to 2 p.m. Grand Wok Noodle Bar features authentic and traditional Asian cuisine in a casual atmosphere. It's open every day from 11 a.m. to 10 p.m. Created by restaurateur Michael Morton, Crust presents American classics from steak and seafood to wood-fire pizzas and pastas, along with handcrafted cocktails and a diverse wine list. Open daily from 4:30 p.m. Wolfgang Puck Bar and Grill features California-inspired cuisine in a casual and lively setting. The restaurant is open for breakfast, lunch, and dinner beginning at 8 a.m. Promising to be one of the finest meals of your life is Joël Robuchon. This 3 Michelin star French restaurant caters to a sophisticated palate. And right next door is Atelier by Joël Robuchon. This unique French restaurant features the concept where every meal is prepared right before your eyes. You'll have an unobstructed view at the service counter where you can watch your meal being prepared. Ka by Cirque du Soleil is a masterpiece in storytelling. Ka tells the epic tale of twins on a journey to fulfill their shared destiny. Tickets start at $69. Also located on the casino floor is the Lobby Bar. The Lobby Bar features an extensive cocktail list of classic and trendy drinks. A great place for people watching, the bar is open 24 hours a day. Loser's Bar features a no-frills venue for live performances serving classic spirits and a variety of beers on tap. The bar features country music artists with live music beginning daily at 3 p.m. Loser's Bar also features a dance floor. That takes care of the casino area. Now let's check out the District. District, which is located past the casino floor, offers a variety of restaurants, entertainment, and retail shops. Let's take a look. Iron Chef Morimoto brings his signature touch to the MGM Grand. The contemporary Japanese restaurant puts emphasis on presentation, with dishes featuring intricate garnishes and creative plating. James Beard award-winning chef Tom Colicchio uses only the finest ingredients to create dishes bursting with flavor. In addition to steak, Craft Steak also offers salmon, veal, and lobster, along with award-winning wine, bourbon, and scotch. Emerald's New Orleans Fish House features fresh seafood and signature New Orleans-style cooking from celebrity chef Emerald Lagasse. The menu features kicked-up versions of Creole cooking featuring fish, shellfish, steaks, pork, and chicken. Brad Garrett's Comedy Club is the best place in Las Vegas to catch the hottest names in stand-up, from established stars to the funniest up-and-comers. The venue also features a bar and lounge where you can have a cocktail before or after the performance. International Smoke is the wildly popular collaboration between Chef Michael Mina and New York Times best-selling author Aisha Curry. The restaurant features wood-fired steak, seafood, and ribs. Nellie's features comfort food, hospitality, and southern charm. Nellie's signature dishes include chicken and dumplings, smoked pulled pork sandwiches, chicken and gravy, southern meatloaf, and chicken and waffles. The restaurant also features an extensive cocktail menu. Also located in the district is the food court. The food court is a collection of popular favorites. This is a large space with plenty of tables and chairs. Among the popular restaurants at the food court are Bonanno's New York Pizzeria, Johnny Rockets Hamburgers, Nathan's Famous Hot Dogs, Pan Asian, and Chicken Tender. In addition, you also find a Tacos and Ritas, as well as a Haagen-Dazs ice cream store. Blizz is a self-serve yogurt shop. You can choose from several different flavors, as well as many different toppings. Smoothies and shakes are also available. 32 Degrees features frozen daiquiris and margaritas, as well as mixed drinks and beers. You also find the entrance to the Monorail in the district. The Monorail station at MGM Grand is the first stop if you're heading north. It runs from the MGM Grand all the way up to the Sahara. You can purchase tickets at the self-serve kiosks. Single-day and multi-day passes are available. The Monorail opens at 7 a.m. As we continue through the district, our next stop is the MGM Grand Garden Arena. Grand Garden Arena is a 17,000-seat multi-purpose arena. Grand Garden Arena has played host to several events, including concerts, fights, sports, and special events. Hunger Games: The Exhibition is a hands-on interactive exhibit based on the world-renowned blockbuster film franchise. And CBS Television City offers free screenings of TV shows in production and the chance to give your opinions on them. Viewers are led into one of 4 studios to watch the latest offerings. There are several retailers along the district. Beauty Avenue features beauty products to give you glamour on the go. Rocks the Jewelers offers a wide selection of both jewelry and watches. Quicksilver offers seasonal swimwear and active apparel. Pandora offers high-quality, hand-finished, modern, and genuine jewelry products. You also find the Beauty Shop beauty products, as well as Nectar bath and body treats. Located just past the district is the Grand Spa and Salon. The spa has 30 treatment rooms, along with saunas, whirlpools, lounges, and a fitness center. And you'll find the entrance to the MGM Grand Conference Center, as well as Topgolf. But the venues themselves are a good walk from this point. And finally, at the back of the district is the Grand Pool Complex. As everyone knows, there are several great pools located in Las Vegas, and I think that the MGM Grand Pool is among the best. At 6.5 acres, this is one of the larger pool complexes in all of Las Vegas, and it features 4 swimming pools, 3 whirlpools, cascading waterfalls, and a lazy river. Most of the MGM pool complex is family friendly, although they do have an adults-only pool and day club. The pool complex features lush green surroundings and has loads of fun things to do in a great atmosphere. This pool will certainly not disappoint. The pool complex is only open to registered guests of the MGM Grand Hotel. And while this is a pretty large pool complex, it does fill up quickly, so I would definitely advise getting here early. The pool complex is open daily from 8 a.m. to 7 p.m. and the Lazy River Pool is open daily from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. And speaking of lazy rivers, this is the best one in Vegas. This is my own personal favorite at the pool complex. Tubes are available for rent, but in reality, you really don't even need that because the water will carry you without the tube. This is the longest lazy river on the Strip, and it's roughly twice the size of the one at Mandalay Bay. The lazy river is over a 1/4 mile long and features waterfalls along the way. If you're looking for a fun and relaxing day at the pool, then this is for you. The pool deck features free lounge chairs as well as cabanas and reserved seating for rent. Open for breakfast and lunch, the Cabana Grill offers poolside dining with fresh signature dishes and a relaxing outdoor atmosphere. There are several pool bars scattered throughout the complex. Dive Bar is a popular spot to have a nice cold drink and get out of the sun. Here you find frozen drinks, cocktails, and buckets of beers. Other bars in the complex include the Drift Bar, the Backlot Bar, and the Lucky Bar. No outside alcohol is permitted in. And finally at the pool complex, you'll find the adults-only Wet Republic. The venue features pools, party cabanas, and DJs. Before we wrap the video up, there's one more thing to check out. Just off the lobby, there's a set of escalators that take you to the Underground. The Underground is a group of restaurants and retail. Here you'll find many favorites such as Fat Tuesday and Pyology custom-made pizza. I've had the pizza here and I would definitely recommend it. Among the retailers are Harley-Davidson Las Vegas, America, and a Welcome to Las Vegas souvenir store. Additional food options include New York pretzel, Haagen-Dazs ice cream, and Subway sandwiches. There's also a second entrance to the monorail in this area. And finally, at the end of the Underground, you'll find the rideshare pickup zone. Well, it's time to wrap the video up. We covered a lot of ground, and I certainly hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. This is Traveling Joe saying thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on our next video.